Oh wait! I want to make a video of friends campaign. So hey guys, it's me, the little gamer. I didn't put that as my YouTube channel name yet, cause I gotta figure it out. I'm still new to this, so right now I'm just recording me on my laptop. And some Black Ops, not Black Ops 2 actually. Some GTA. I'm playing more campaign. I have online. Let's see. I don't like to go online. I want to play Black Ops 2. BO2. As you can see, our friend Index. Nice. We're playing G. They have GTA, I have GTA. Or tomorrow I'm gonna post a video of me playing some COD Ghost. Okay? I just got back from somewhere. Huh? Now you have business, it's mine. GTA. Well, I'm still beating the game. I have a lot of respect. Commentated it now. It's not gonna be the longest video, it just could be me gaming and some GTA Online for like a few minutes. Then I'm gonna cut this video and start a new one. Okay, then I'm gonna edit this video, make it better, focus more on my screen. Let's check something. Okay, I want to see if you guys can see it perfectly great. No, you guys can't see it that great. That's why I always put it off the side. Hey guys. Hey yo. It's me just trying to fix my screen so I can see. You guys can see everything. Laptop's not the best. You can see everything but the top left, top right screen. Okay, so I need to finish on Marty. What I do, I'm level 21 on it. And if I do play it, I use my mic and okay, I'm just going to be doing some missions right now as Trevor, Michael, or Franklin. Okay, so guys, I'm going to cut this video and start my recording for a minute. Okay, hey guys, if anyone just joined the live stream, what's up guys? Hold on the live stream. Oh, that's me in now. As you can see, I don't have that much guns for Franklin yet. As I have to go buy, you know, bullets for my guns. Wait a minute. Where's my Lamborghini? I don't know. No, wait, Chomp. I like to take Chomp on the ride with me. Chomp.
Oh, that's shit. Chomp, what you been eating? I gotta get a regiment for your ass.
Let's go, Chompy. Let's go, Skittle. Let's race. Here I go, Skittle. Right now I'm just posting a video. I will play with you back. I think the bike that you steal from the campaign. Bye. I don't know last time it was that much. Alright. house. That's right, guys. I'm not the best YouTuber. If you guys think I'm a good YouTuber, thank you. Whoever thinks I'm a bad one, well, just think again, guys. I'm not too really nice. You get to know me. If you guys be mean to me, I'll be nice to you. Okay? This guy said, hey, are you a sucky? Because I fight 4 minutes up close. I know you don't want to see me up close, and that's just why I said that's your turn. Sorry if you're watching my video right now. Please don't say that stuff to me. So if you guys send me things and how old I am and stuff, I can tell you guys that after this video. Okay? I'm playing for a few more minutes and then I'm going to shut it off. Start a new session. Me doing a mission probably, or me playing Monty. You guys don't have this game and you guys want to see more footage of it, can ask me.
Come in, homie. Let's get you strapped.
Buying some ammo?
Had a pregnant lady buy a flamethrower from me earlier. Oh.
Guys, if you guys really want me to watch me play some other games with you guys, I'd love to. Okay, guys.
It'll be dead before it hears the shot.
I just need to buy ammo for like every one of my guns I got. Right now, I'm 11. I go to school, going to basics.
Now, if you need advice, I am a weapons expert.
No, I don't care. I'm just trying to get some ammo for my guns. Or my weapons, as you would say. I call them guns.
Completely out. Sorry.
I don't have enough money now. So what I mean, guys, I have enough money on each of any will not be Trevi anymore. This is my setup right now. I got some big guns. This pistol right here. The last are good, and that knife, I don't have one with a baseball bat for some reason. There. All my things, just the guns I have. Everything is maxed up, so we're going to go for a low ride now. This is the end of this first video, so see you guys.